What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy S20. This is the cloud blue version. Beautiful, beautiful device. Really enjoying it. But one of the things I want to talk about is the fingerprint reader, because I know on the S10 and the Note 10 Plus, you know, it was a little left to be desired. Let's just say this. Now, I've been using this for a little bit, and it seems like the fingerprint is on point. Not gonna lie, it's really fast, really responsive, so that's a good thing. Now, I don't have a Whitestone Dome or anything like that on there, but I do have a couple of fingerprints registered to the same finger. Now, it's pretty easy to register. All you do is go into settings, and then you go into biometrics, and then you're gonna go into fingerprints. It's gonna ask you for a PIN. You'll set that up, put that in off camera, so you guys don't be going in my phone later on. And then you just hit add fingerprint, and then it'll give you some instructions about, you know, screen protectors and all that good stuff. And then all you do is you put your finger there, and I would tilt it to the side. Some people, you know, they'll go all the way around like that, but you can do what you do. I just put it like this, so it's easy. Then it's gonna ask you to do the edges. So you just do continue, and you just do like the edges on it, on your finger. And then it'll complete everything, and then it will be done. So I have 3 registered on there, but for the most part, it's on point, I think. So I just wanted to do a quick video letting you know that the fingerprint reader on the Galaxy S20 seems to be working pretty flawless. So that's gonna do it, man. Thanks for watching this video. I just want to do a quick video letting you know about the fingerprint reader on the Galaxy S20, that it is on point. Thanks so much for watching. Follow me on the Twitters and on the Grams at Android Stud. That's it for now. Peace, party people.